Have him in the shot as well. Yo, welcome back guys. I haven't seen you guys in a while. Welcome back to Minnesota. Okay, I'm here today with Suzuki Swift. Funny, got a recording of this, but the guy is camera shy, so yeah, we'll see. So this is basically a 5-speed manual turbo diesel fucking Swift, right? You see? Look at that. And nothing's been done up to it. So this is what year is it? This car doesn't have the gas at all. It's 2012 Suzuki Swift, right? It's a nice car. It's a bit chilled right now. Chill. Also, I got Dyllan behind the camera, Josh at the back. And that's all it was for today. But yo, so this car is fucking slow as shit. When Josh drives, right, when he goes up on the hill, right, he fucking lifts up a handbrake, and this is just a pussy move, and I don't like it. It's a bit nasty. Yeah, and see, nothing done up to just an ordinary car. It's an ordinary car.
Soon to be a drag.
Ordinary car, but I told him to make a time trial car. You know what I mean? Like a time attack car. But he's just like, I want this car, I want that car, I want this car, but he ends up having this car instead. It's not a bad car, but it's a Euro edition, you know, Euro edition. So what I mean by Euro edition,
it was meant to be for Germany, eh?
Eh?
I think it was meant to be for Germany.
Yeah. So what I mean by Euro edition is when, you know, the indicators flip. So basically, Japan versions, right? The indicators will be on the right, but the Euro version, the indicators will be on the left. Right? Yeah. But nothing's done out with this 5-speed manual turbo diesel, and yeah, nothing's that special. He wouldn't give us the keys, so yeah. What are you up to? What are you up to? Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. Yeah. Also, you guys remember Dyllan's Toyota car, right?
Piece of shit.
Yeah, piece of shit. Piece of shit. Soon this guy will be selling this car, and he's gonna give it a special car. You know, his dream car.
It's a surprise.
Can you open up the car, please? Can you open up the car? Can you open it up, please? Thank you. We're gonna open up the hood. See if you guys wouldn't probably believe it, but it's turbo diesel manual. Where's that fucking thing? Oh shit! Oh fuck you, dude. Fuck. That's hot. So what does DDIS mean? Diesel. Okay. You see, come closer. You see this? This is a turbo. I don't need the camera too close. It's gonna be hot. But yeah, it's actually it's a front wheel drive fucking diesel. Oh yeah, nothing special done to it, you know.
Not yet. Right, Josh? Not yet. Yeah. Like you say, he's camera shy. I told him to fucking record, but he wouldn't record. Fucking hot. We just went out to get something to eat. It's a decent cruising car, you know. Why are you so far? it's like a decent car for like traveling wise, but not like racing like that car right there. You see that car? Nah, not racing. That's not racing.
Nah, yo. But I guess that's all for today, guys. See you guys next time. Faggot. Actually, we'll start it up here how it sounds. You see, it sounds so much like a UA.
Diesel.
If you guys see this car driving past, you guys are probably like, oh, it's a fucking 4-wheeler, fucking U. But no, it's not. It's actually a piece of shit Suzuki Swift. But the car runs fine overall, right? But that guy, when he releases the clutch, it actually burns it, you know? You can hear it as well. You can hear it as well. It's like, well, Should I give a little ring? What's up? Huh? What the fuck is it? Yeah. That sounds fun. Okay, I guess that's all for today, guys. But soon, can't wait till this car's been done up, you know. But yeah, finally got the keys, and I'll see you guys next time.